So, you're snapping photos and suddenly your phone is tagging your cat by name. Or when you hit play on Spotify, the tunes seem plucked straight from your brainwaves. No, it's not sorcery. It's the world of deep learning at work. And believe me, this is just the tip of the AI iceberg. We're about to uncover the tech revolution silently shaping our daily lives. So before our brains enter does not compute mode, let's break it down. Deep learning is a superstar of the tech world, but what's it all about? At its core, it's a subset of machine learning, a niche in the vast universe of artificial intelligence. Imagine if our brains were made of Lego. Each piece is like a neuron. Stack them together, connect them in creative ways, and voila! You've got yourself a neural network. I think that's what deep learning does. It's like teaching a machine to think with Lego brains, and these digital Lego brains, they're getting pretty darn good at learning from data. I know it sounds all futuristic and sci-fi, but it's happening right now. Every time you use voice commands or get photo tags on social media, these neural networks are in action. All right, let's hop into our virtual time machine. A few decades back, we had computers that could barely play tic-tac-toe without glitching. Don't get me wrong, it was remarkable for its time, but I guess it's like comparing a bicycle to a supercharged race car. Speed up to today, and we've got machines dreaming of electric sheep, or at least recognizing them in photos. AI's journey from barely getting it to nailing it every time has been wild. Do you remember those early chatbots? The ones where if you said something, it'd sometimes reply with nonsense? We've come a long way from there. We now have digital assistants planning our day, suggesting what to watch next, and even helping doctors diagnose complex diseases. Yep, from nonsense replies to potentially saving lives, that's the glow-up of AI for you. So, with all this techie talk, you might wonder, where's all this deep learning action happening in my daily life? First stop, hospitals. Deep learning is playing detective in the medical world, from spotting early signs of diseases in X-rays to analyzing patient data to predict future health issues. Then, think about your binge-watching sessions. Have you ever felt that Netflix or Hulu somehow gets you? That's deep learning, curating a list so spot on that you're convinced a tiny movie critic is living inside your TV. Parallel parking used to be a driving test nightmare, but with the advancement of self-driving cars, navigating traffic has become much easier. The finance sector isn't left behind either. With deep learning, trading has gone to a whole new level. Have you heard of AI trading bots like AlgoTrader, Trade Ideas, or CloudQuant? These aren't just fancy tech names. They're platforms powered by deep learning, helping investors make more informed decisions by analyzing vast amounts of real-time data. Instead of relying on gut feelings or hunches, traders now have data-driven insights. I think the ripple effect of deep learning has yet to leave the creative sphere untouched. In fact, it's introduced a revolutionary intersection between technology and art, reshaping how we create and consume. In art, algorithms have been trained to mimic the styles of legendary painters, generating original pieces that blur the lines between man and machine. Artists use these AI tools to find inspiration, accelerate their processes, or even collaborate with the machine in co-creating unique artworks. Meanwhile, platforms like Deep Dream transform simple images into intricate, dreamlike patterns, showcasing the unexpected depths of machine imagination. Musicians and producers, on the other hand, tap into AI to compose, mix, and master tracks. Deep learning models analyze vast music libraries, picking up patterns, moods, and styles. The result? Tools that suggest chord progressions, create backup vocals, or even generate entire compositions. Yes, the music you're hearing right now is 100% generated by AI. Deep learning isn't just an assistant in the creative process, it's becoming a co-creator, pushing boundaries and redefining what's possible in the artistic arena. Alright, so what's cooking behind the curtain? Why is deep learning suddenly going from zero to hero? First up, Data, massive amounts of it. In the age of social media, online shopping, and digital everything, we're producing data at an unfathomable rate. Every photo uploaded, song played, and review written is part of this vast digital mosaic. And this isn't just data. It's the training ground, the playbook, and the lifeblood that helps AI systems learn, adapt, and perfect. The more data these systems get, the sharper and more intuitive their predictions become. Now, about the hardware. Think of the evolution of race cars. We went from simple engines to turbocharged beasts roaring on tracks. Similarly, the tech world saw the transition from primary processors to GPUs, and now TPUs, tailor-made for the heavy lifting that deep learning requires. These aren't just upgrades. They're game changers, allowing algorithms to process information at lightning speeds and with jaw-dropping efficiency. And we can't leave out the brains of the operation, the algorithms themselves. Brilliant minds around the globe are continuously pushing boundaries, creating models that are more intricate and capable. From convolutional neural networks that ace image recognition to transformers that power language models like ChatGPT, we're witnessing an explosion in innovation. It's no longer about just programming a machine. It's about crafting architectures that allow machines to evolve, learn, and even, dare I say, think uniquely. While aboard the deep learning hype train, you must pull the brakes and peek at the not-so-glowy side of things. Firstly, the ethical landmines. AI is like a toddler. It learns from what it sees. Feed it biased data, and you have an AI with skewed views. This has serious repercussions, from job recruitment tools favoring specific demographics to facial recognition systems that misidentify individuals. Then there's the digital doppelganger problem, deepfakes. Using deep learning, folks are creating ultra-realistic but entirely fake content. Imagine a video of a celebrity saying things they never did, or a politician making a speech they never gave. It's cool tech, but in the wrong hands? Yikes. Energy-wise, these AI models aren't exactly eco-friendly. Training can consume as much energy as flying a plane across the US multiple times. We're burning the midnight oil, coal, or gas to feed our tech cravings. And we can't ignore the elephant in the room: job displacement. Specific tasks become automated as AI improves and the job landscape shifts. It's not all doom and gloom as new roles emerge, but it's a transition that needs careful management. So, what's next for deep learning? Think climate change, our planet's biggest headache right now. Deep learning is diving into this challenge head first, from optimizing energy consumption in cities to predicting extreme weather events and even aiding research in sustainable energy solutions. It's not just tech for tech's sake, it's tech for the planet. Then there's the blend of biology and AI. We're on the brink of devices connecting directly to our brains, allowing us to communicate with machines using our thoughts. Sounds like sci-fi, but companies are already pouring billions into making this a reality. And the final frontier? Space. Deep learning plays a significant role in decoding the universe's mysteries. From analyzing vast amounts of astronomical data to aiding space probes in their exploration, AI is becoming our cosmic companion. So here we are at the intersection of today and tomorrow, with deep learning as our co-pilot. It's not just about fancy algorithms or sci-fi fantasies. I guess it's about reshaping our world, understanding ourselves better, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But as we rev up our engines for this AI-driven journey, it's crucial to remember that it's not just about the tech. It's about us, the people, and how we harness this power. Do we let it control us, or do we use it to craft a brighter, more inclusive, and innovative future? From the tiny intricacies of our digital lives to the grand challenges of our planet, deep learning is making waves, and we're right in the thick of it. But this isn't just a spectator sport. Everyone has a role to play. Whether diving into coding, discussing the ethics, or staying curious and informed, your voice, passion, and skills matter. Because at the end of the day, technology, no matter how advanced, is only as good as the people behind it and the communities around it. So, get involved, stay curious, and let's shape a future where tech doesn't just work, but truly enriches our lives. If you found this deep dive intriguing, smash that like button. Share it with your friends and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Oh, and remember to subscribe for more.